ya Siaya niwe Willliam Oduol muthi wa ira niarakorirwo gikinya obici-ini yake undu kana undu uria urakorire aruti wira kuo hi amu matirakoragwo makimwirigira ukorwo agicoka obici-ini thutha wa meri. Obici-ini yake niarakorirwo agicera tauni-ini ya Siaya ugitiri munene na kuria arariirie aikari na kumoria kana kuria gavana wa kaunty ino niwe James Orengo ukorwo makirutithania wira na makiria itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni magikinyiriria uthii wa na mbere kaunti-ini ino ya Siaya.
The rallying call that I am making as the Deputy Governor of Siaya County is that the Senate made its determination on my impeachment proceedings at the Senate in Nairobi. I want to with able to get the service that they deserve. Mine is a call for peace and a call for reconciliation. And I want to encourage our leadership. I want to encourage church leaders, elders in Siaya County to bring us together so that in a very accelerated basis, we are able to embark on the journey of transforming this beautiful county of ours called Siaya County.
Hiyo ni ripoti kuma kaunti ya Siaya na ripoti hiyo ni